This is James Cuellar
and Leah Hill from the University of Oklahoma Weather Lab with your weekly regional forecast starting on Friday, August 31st, 2018. For your headlines, we will be discussing the warm temperatures ahead, the chance for rain to increase, and your drought outlook.
Looking at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, a strong ridge is persisting across the eastern half of the United States. As a result, you can expect above average temperatures from the northeast to the Gulf Coast. You can also see above average temperatures in the desert southwest. Below average temperatures are also possible in the Pacific Northwest and extreme West Texas and southern New Mexico.
Precipitation-wise, in the 6 to 10 day time frame, you can anticipate above average rainfall across much of the eastern 2/3 of the United States. The Pacific Northwest looks to remain drier than normal during this time frame.
Moving on to our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, the ridge across the eastern United States remains steady, so expect those above average temperatures to continue across the majority of the United States. However, below average temperatures are possible in the Pacific Northwest for the next couple of weeks.
Above average rainfall also looks to persist across the eastern 2/3 of the United States, and below average precipitation is possible across the Great Basin.
Looking at the drought monitor, the southeastern United States is in relatively good shape. However, as we look over to Texas and Oklahoma, you are currently seeing moderate to extreme drought. You can expect drought to improve in Oklahoma over the next month, but Texas is going to see drought conditions worsen.
Above average temperatures look to be possible this month across western third of the United States. Above average temperatures are also possible across New England, but much of the center of the country can look for average temperatures. The southwestern and eastern United States could see above average precipitation. Pockets of below average rainfall are also possible along the western Gulf Coast and the Pacific Northwest.
For the next 3 months, most of the states could see above average temperatures. Above average precipitation continues in the desert southwest and the southeastern United States, with below average precipitation across the Pacific Northwest.
Once again, this podcast has been brought to you by the University of Oklahoma Weather Lab, a top academic weather and research program in the United States and partner of the Southern Climate Impacts Planning Program.
Watch for your forecast Fridays on the Oklahoma Weather Lab YouTube channel.